Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy rice skin care. Take a bowl. Rice 2 tablespoons. First, wash the rice and then soak for overnight. Next day, first stir it and then strain it. Transfer in a container. Benefits of the product: hydrates the skin, brighten dull skin, improves skin texture, refreshes tired skin, minimizes the appearance of pores, supports an even skin tone. Use this way. See the difference in between 7 days. Take a saucepan. First, pour rice water. Rice 2 tablespoons. Now, cook the rice. Take off the pan. Strain it. Rice starch. Aloe vera gel 1 tablespoon. Vitamin E oil 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Transfer in a container. Benefits of the serum: deep hydrates, soft and smooth skin, help even out skin tone, natural glow, antioxidant protection, supports skin barrier, lightweight moisturization. Put the serum in this way. Cooked rice 2 tablespoons. Milk 3 tablespoons. Now let's blend into a smooth paste. Now strain it. Aloe vera gel 1 tablespoon. Vitamin E oil 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Transfer in a container. Benefits of the cream: provides deep moisture, enhances natural glow, makes skin soft and smooth, supports healthy looking skin, helps reduce dryness, promotes a fresh appearance. Toner in spray bottle. Serum in dropper bottle. Cream in black jar. Rice skincare is ready to use.